What's it with?
Rainbow spiked collar. Hi guys, it's Lavender Sheep 20 here, and a lot of people have been wondering what the new member gift, the Rainbow Spike Collar, is worth. So I did a survey and found out what certain people trade for it, and what's the highest thing and some of the lowest things you could possibly get it for. So let's begin. So I asked this person what the highest thing they would trade for a Rainbow Spike was, and they said they would trade Sea Star glasses. That is probably a pretty bad trade for a spike right now, but that's not that bad considering that it's a good item, it's popular and stuff, so I guess that's not so bad. I also asked this person, and they said a set, so that's just simple, yeah, a set. That's a pretty good trade, I think. And last but not least, I asked my daughter, Buster Cow 20, and she said my black spike wristband and my blue spike. I don't know if that would be the most fair, but I still think that's a fairly good trade. At least, it's better than Sea Star glasses. So if someone offers you a black spike wristband and a blue spike, I'd probably negotiate a little bit before you took that, but that's still pretty good. So special thanks to Play Hut and to Mermaid Kitten 309. Also to my daughter Buster Cow 20. Also special thanks to Pink Owl, my youngest daughter, for her support while I made this video. She isn't very good at knowing what things are worth, so I couldn't really consult her for this. But still, thanks Pink Owl, you were wonderful.